Welcome to another lesson. In today's video, we'll be learning about 2 by 2 digit multiplication.
So we're going to learn how to multiply two digits by two digits. And the best way to go about this is by a practical demonstration in which you're going to learn the sequence of steps. So let's have an example. Let's say we have the following number, 34 multiplied by 12. Now step number one, you're going to multiply the first digit by the digit on top of it. 2 multiplied by 4, that will be 8. Then you're going to multiply 2 by the second digit, which would be 3. 2 multiplied by 3, that would be 6. Now, what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to add one more step. Now, so far we've been applying the steps for two digits multiplied by one digit. Now, in order to transition to two digits multiplied by two digits, we have to do an additional step in which we're going to say, okay, add a plus sign. You're going to put 0 right under the 8, which represents the fact that we have a digit right here, which is 1. Then you're going to multiply this digit 1 by the first digit, which is 4, then the second digit, which is 3. In other words, we are doing again two digits multiplied by one digit for the second digit. And the only difference would be is that we have added 0. So 1 multiplied by 4, that would be 4. 1 multiplied by 3, that would be 3. Then we're going to be adding all of these numbers. Keep in mind, you have to arrange the digits in order. So we finished 2 multiplied by 4, we got an 8. 2 multiplied by 3, we got a 6. Then we added the 0. Then we said 1 multiplied by 4, which is 4. Then 1 multiplied by 3, which is 3. All of them, they are arranged in order. We have 8 under, we have the 0, 6 we have under the 4, and there's nothing on top, and we have 3 at the bottom. Now let's add all of these numbers. 8 plus 0 would be 8. 6 plus 4 would be 10. Regular addition, guys. 0. And you're going to take that extra 1, put it on top right here. 3 plus 1, that would be 4. So the answer would be 408. Let's go through another example together before you get to a practice problem and you get to test it out by yourself. Let's say we have the following problem. I have 62 multiplied by 14. Now let's apply the steps quickly without using any coloring, just to make sure that you have it quite clearly presented in front of you. 4 multiplied by 2, that would be 8. 4 multiplied by 2. Then 4 multiplied by 6, that will be 24. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. Then the second step, which is plus, you add a 0 because you have a digit right here, which is the second digit, which is 1. Then repeat the steps. 1 multiplied by 2 is going to be 2. And 1 multiplied by 6 is going to be 6. Then we're going to add them together. We're going to have 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 2 plus 6 is 8. So the answer is 868. So to recap the steps, we start with saying 4 multiplied by 2, then 4 multiplied by 6. We'll finish the first digit, and we got this following result right here, which is 248. Then we transition to the second digit, which is 1, and we added 0 and a plus sign to do so. Then we repeated the steps. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, and 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. We made sure that they are arranged right under each other, and then we carried on with the addition. So these are the steps that you're going to be following for two digits by two digits multiplication. And here's a practice problem for you to apply and to test your knowledge on the subject. practice problem. Now make sure that you write down your answers and you leave them in the comments and the discussion as well, just to make sure that you're sharing your answers with the rest of the students and the viewers in order to get the benefit and share the benefit as well. And in case you got the wrong answer, you're able to see what is the correct answer and you can re-practice the problem again. So let's have this following practice problem for you to demonstrate your knowledge. Let's say we have 84 multiplied by 62. What is the answer? So go ahead, attempt this problem and make sure that you figure it out. And in case you get stuck doing the problem, replay the video and take a look at the steps in order to make sure that you're applying them in the correct order.
Now, thank you for watching the video, and I truly hope that you found the lesson beneficial. If you did, feel free to subscribe and smash that like button and join our community. Also, keep an eye on the course description below, because every now and then we'll be shooting some coupons and premium access to courses on our Elite Academy. I'll see you in the next class.